Oh ho ho. Oh ho ho. Let's go. Okay. Sweet. Let's get this working. Ooh, I remember last time. There we go. I remember last time. Oh. Oh, the image is so weird too. Okay. Okay. Welcome everyone. Welcome. This stream we are gonna be working on the Dungeon Runner data pack. And this is gonna be a little bit more of a different episode. Where today we're gonna be coding a lot too. Here, I'm gonna do that real quick. And with this data pack, I'm gonna show you how I code up the thing. Show you around this little place real quick. And yeah. Right now, actually, we're gonna switch up the music. We're gonna. Oh yeah, the perfect music. All right, so we got the main star area. Version I think was 2 had you start in like a little dungeon room, no real backstory. I'm working on that stuff, so this is kind of the main area. I'm gonna edit a lot of this stuff, like add more textures, a lot more textures, and get custom blocks in. That's something I've been wanting to do. Custom blocks, custom textures, and make this functional. As you can see, I got a marker right now, and this is going to be detecting all players that are within the circle, and then detecting all players not within that circle, and that is going to count. So hopefully it'll work. We might get that in, but right now we're just working on the right click stuff. Right click stuff takes a little bit, so yeah. Oh yeah, we got the dungeon generation kind of working really well. A new type of generation. I'm gonna have different versions of this. This is, I think, version 1 of generation. And you can see this is kind of a big map. It's just kind of a big map. You got this over here, and you can explore. And actually, we can generate one real quick. We just do. Oh yeah, I was looking at this. So, command blocks, or yeah, resource packs. The block permutation stuff that only exists in Bedrock, but for stuff like chiseled bookshelves, it's got a lot of possibilities for a lot of custom textures, and custom blocks can definitely use that. But I'm thinking I'm going with a more different method, which is kind of an old method mixed with a new method where I just use glass blocks because people won't be able to break it. And for a little bit newer, we're gonna use not block displays, item displays with a custom texture. So yeah, it'll be interesting, very interesting. Yeah, so what we got right now is this, and if you do function, dungeon generation, and then it's level 1, and ooh, look at that. There's gonna be items on the ground, but that's alright. As you can see, this dungeon generation works pretty well. We got a new kind of map going on in here. And ooh, 2 of the same levels kind of generating. You can get lost in this pretty quick, which I kind of like. It's kind of nice. You can generate again, and this one's kind of weird in shape. And ooh, you got this, and then you got a little sneak around here. It's supposed to be more tight knit in certain areas, so it's gonna be more claustrophobic, more smaller than most levels, because this is a start of a level. And yeah, oh yeah, custom particles. Particles got changed up real quick too. So this data pack's working pretty well. We can generate another level real quick, and oh, that's an interesting one. You can see this matches with this here too, which that gets translated over here. I think 8 blocks away, and this is I think a 10 by 10, and that leaves room for a wall to generate in between this, and that I need to fix. That's not supposed to happen. What is that? Alright, I'll fix that up a little bit. But anyway. Generation, I'm still working on. It's not perfect, but it's just good enough. Oh, whoa! Okay, that's huge. We gotta explore this a little bit. So we got a small room there. What do we got over here? Oh, we got another small room. Then we got a large room. Another large room. Interesting. And then we got... Ooh, look at that. We got a lot of areas here. I might build up a little bit of this too. The items I'm picking up aren't going to be there in the final project too. And it's just a simple kill all entities command here. And ooh, pretty. Yep. Okay. I'm gonna populate this with a lot of mobs too. And oh wait, hold up. I forgot about that. Oh, okay. Because you can get lost in here. And with the Titanite stuff, it's kind of hard. So it's like really, like a really cool dungeon crawler. I guess that's kind of what it is. Okay, so let's get with the coding. Okay. Move that here for now. I'm gonna move that. Open this workspace. Just to make it easier. That's the weird music. We're gonna change this real quick. Oh, and we got weird music. Okay. Oh, I love this music. Okay, sweet. Okay, so how this works, I'm gonna try and simplify it down as easy as I can. We got dungeon. Dungeon is the basic function of everything. Dungeon generation. We got here, it's for all the structures and the functions to generate those structures. We got ability, and this is what we're going to be working on today. We got enchants, we don't need to work on that. A lot of it's red because I think Spyglass MC is doing 1.20.2 and I don't know how to fix that. So everything's just going to be red, which is weird, but who knows. Oh yeah. Okay, so I forgot how to do this. If we do loot, give current entity loot and right C, we got this generic item. And then if we right click, oh ho ho ho, we get an effect, which is kind of cool. I gotta work on like the sound effects and better particles and maybe even item display animations. But this works for now. And why is it so blocky? Well, I changed the textures on everything. I think. What was it? Test item. No, that's chest plate. Generic item. Let's see if this is. Nope. Maybe it's big iron? Vampire. No, but that still works. Yeah, oh well. You can kind of see it works. Pretty cool. I don't got any sound up for this, but we can actually do something real quick. We can play sound. Let's search for a sound. Experience. No. Why not? Record. Current ID. 100. Pitch 2. And volume 1. What if we do 0? Oh yeah. Now sounds like Hypixel, which is kind of interesting. And what we got here is a right click. And we got this. Oh yeah. Whoopsie, forgot to do that. Slash reload. So now if we do that. Oh yeah, because we use an item. Okay. I forgot. That's for visuals. Oh well. Slash reload. There we go. And now we got a little timer up here too. Just for an item cooldown, which is kind of interesting. Shows you how long you have. And it is in seconds. So that's 10 seconds. Which is kind of nice. Oh yeah. That should be multiplayer compatible. There's like a 50-50 chance of it being multiplayer compatible. I'm pretty sure because I have... So for right click, it's a custom advancements of eating a food or using the item food. And then it's executing on a custom data, and it just has to have this custom data, which is ability 3B. And it has, and then you got the if entity, and then this is the executable function, stuff like that. And then I can add more conditions for that if I need to be. But right now, we're just gonna add another ability. Oh, I'm gonna skip this one. There we go. Something nice and calming. Okay, so let's make in the dungeon loot table, right click C. Let's make a new item real quick. I got someone making the generator. Yep, okay, just making sure I got that going down here. So we got right click as Gazzy, someone from Planet Minecraft. Actually, I'm gonna copy and paste the stream on here, just for funsies. There we go. Okay, so let's see where it is. Oh yeah, I was getting nostalgic. Oh yeah, blocks. He wanted multi-hit ability. That's what it was. Gonna copy the name here. Multi-hit. Oh yeah. And I'm guessing what they want is like a bunch of hits in front of you to attack the enemy times a second for 6 hits. So just a bunch of hits. Attack mob in front of you for 2 seconds. Matter cost. We'll go 19. Cooldown. It's 12. 12 seconds. And what we got down here for ability, we're just gonna go up an integer. Oh yeah. And that's our whole ability made. So with this, what we got here, if we do /reload and we go right click C, now we got multi-hit. This is a bit different from this one. Attack mob in front of you for 2 seconds. I should change that description a little bit. Mob multiple times in front of you for 2 seconds. Oh yeah. /reload. I'm also gonna polish up the game quite a bit, so this isn't gonna be the final version you see of this, but you know. Oh yeah, you can right click now and do all that stuff. Sweet. Okay, now let's make this functional. Now we go to right click. We're just gonna copy this, replace this, rename to multi-hit.mc function, and special right click multi_hit_ .mc function. Yeah, it's gonna get a little bit weird here. Okay, but we got multi-hit, and what? Is it not getting angry at me now? Wait, what? Why is it like all chill now? Wait, that's so weird. So if we go here, it's not red anymore? Because all the particles were angry at me. Huh? Okay, I guess we're fine now. Oh, okay, I'm tweaking out. Okay, but yeah, we got trigger ability. This is a tick function, as you can see up here. And then you got left click abilities, right click abilities, and then you got multi-hit. Multi-hit, instead of that, is gonna summon armor stand. Yes. Shoot, okay, you know, I'm gonna save all real quick. And I'm actually gonna steal some code, not from that. Although that's a pretty cool data pack, but not working on right now. This was version 2, and you can see that the code here is kind of messed up. Just a little bit. Yeah. There you go. Item abilities. Item. Repeating. No. Slow hit. Half this I don't even know. Okay. Ability. Shoot. I do not know. Oh, shoot. Okay, I guess we gotta remake this here. Well, this is version 2. Version 3 here. We got this all stuff. It's weird how it just like loaded up like, oh, you know what? I think it's because I changed the pack.mc meta. Yeah, 248 now. So if it was 16, that's I think 1.20.2. And now it's 1.21. Oh yeah. So everything should be good. But yeah, we got multi-hit. And we're gonna summon an armor stand. And we're gonna tag it. Or did we tag it before? Armor stand. MBT data. Oh yeah, tags equals. What should we tag this? Probably multi underscore hit. There we go. Sweet. Sweet. Look at that. Okay. Execute. We're gonna skip this song now. There we go. Ooh. Oh yeah. Execute as I think it was current entity. No, at current entity run TP. And all entities, I think it was tag equals, I'm trying to think of this, and then limit equals 1, sort equals nearest, at current entity. Okay, let's just run through this real quick. So we summon an armor stand at our position, and then we run this command. Now we are the one that runs it. Oh, wait, did that work? It worked. Okay, now faces. Wait, F3B, F3B. Oh, sweet. Now we got like, detection. Shoot, nice. Okay. Now we just need to give this more, stuff like. No base plate is a boolean, that's true. We got invisible, that's true, that's a boolean. Invulnerable, that's true, although it's not for all, but this is basically all we need for this armor stand. Okay. And then because we got right click, and it was, what was it, 19 and 12 seconds. We're going here, 19. We're gonna remove 19 and add 12 seconds to the cooldown. Oh yeah. Add cooldown, yes. As for visuals, we don't need this. Experience orb, yeah, why not? But this here, we're gonna do copy this into here for now. And we're gonna skip this song. Oh yeah. Perfect. Okay, this is gonna be your entity tag. Oh yeah, actually, hold up, we're gonna take a little intermission real quick. We're gonna show this off. For functions, levels built in. Look at how, okay, I'm pretty happy about this. This is all that's needed to make one level. Isn't that amazing? Maybe I'll make like one more, but this is kind of cool. I'm hoping to have it easier for other people to add custom levels and like as many as you want. So we're gonna work on that a little bit later on. Okay. Execute as at. Actually, we're gonna do execute as at lines tag equals at current entity run function multi-hit special abilities. Yeah, that should be it. So instead of having to tag, we're just gonna execute at current entity, and this would be specifying it. Run TP current entity, and then 1.1. Run scoreboard, and actually we got this here, and we're doing as current entity add timer, and it was 40 seconds for 2 seconds because it's each tick, so that's 20 ticks per second. That's 40 ticks. Yep, that would make sense. I'm gonna probably simplify this down too, but it gives more control. That's what I kind of like about this method. And then we're gonna do, I wonder if this works first time, particle slash, no, sweep attack. And then we're gonna do, that was XYZ, and we do 0 for the Z, but 1 and 1 for the Y, speed 0, count, I don't know, 3, and force normal, file, save all. Okay, let's see if this works first time. Slash reload. Okay. 3B. Does this work? Slash data get entity tray. Oh yeah, slash game rule send command feedback true. Consumable. Oh, you know what? I forgot. I have to change that. Save all. Yeah, oh, yep. I have to change that into multi-hit. Sweet. Save all. Slash reload. Oh my god, wait, that's so cool. Okay, we just need to speed that up a little bit. That was the gas. Instead of X, I think it was that to get a nice wide hit. Okay, that's really cool. And then execute at current run. What was it? I can't remember. Play sound? No, play sound. Sweep player. Sweep. Record. At all players. Distance of, I don't know, 10, 30. And less than that. At the current entity's position, and it's gonna be like, I don't know, volume of 20, pitch of 1, and minimum volume of 1. Okay. We're gonna pause this sound real quick and just listen to this real quick. This is kind of cool. Oh shoot, that's a little fast. scores equals 1. Oh wait, yeah, it has to be timer equals 1. We're just gonna have this 1, 5, 3, 6, and 8, 12, and 15, 17, and 20. Wow, save all. Because we don't want it repeating too much. That's so cool. Okay, we're gonna and 23 and 31 and 34 and 40. I'll save all. So it's kind of got that like wave of hitting. That's so cool. Okay, now we do the damage. Damage at all entities, type equals not player, and limit equals 1, and sort equals nearest, and tag equals not. What is current entity's tag? It was multi-hit, yes. We're gonna do just one. Type. And we're just doing generic. By nearest entity, type equals player. So it's gonna be by the player, and it's gonna damage it. Let's see this. Okay. It doesn't damage itself. Oh yeah. Oof. Let's get a lot of husks in. Okay, let's say I'm getting chased down. That's so cool. Maybe I want to increase the damage by just like a little bit. / reload. Whoa. Alright, when they all line up like that. You guys aren't ready for this. Oh, that's so cool. Okay. And it doesn't damage me or the current entity itself. And it's just one simple right click ability. Okay, let's keep playing music. Okay, I'm gonna send that off so it can be in a generator. Okay, if anyone else got ideas, please let me know. I love that a lot. Then we got this. I still need to make up. I could probably edit the particle effects here, because it's a little bit too big. 3 by 3 by 3. That should be good. Save all. Oh, we got my particle generator here. / reload. Oh yeah, look at that. And this is transparent too, so yeah. It's just a sneeze particle. Oh yeah. Okay, so if we go here and I go and like I don't know, slash enchant myself with radiant health. Let's find a mob. Ooh, they all despawned. Okay. Boom. Oh, look at that particle. Ooh, I'm pretty proud of this. And you see it affects it, but yeah. It only does a particle once every so often. Just so it doesn't look bad, and so it saves on resources. Which is kind of cool. Ooh. Sweet. Oh, we got good music going on too. Okay. But yeah, that's the datapack and working. Because everything's gonna be like every item's gonna be JSON formatted and everything's kind of a little bit different. It's gonna be a lot easier to update. Just like everything, like multi-hit, disability, it's gonna be a lot easier to update than the old version, which was just a simple /give command and /spawn command, which I'm hoping they make it easier. I mean, this doesn't use any tags. Like if I do /data get, you see there's no tag. There's a lot of, where was it? Custom data. That's all I use though. Custom data is the only thing, and you can see ability 3. I think that's for this item, and then go down here. Yeah, ability 4 is for the next item. But yeah, that's the multi-hit ability. So let's make another ability. You know, I'm ChatGPTing it. Let me pull up ChatGPT real quick. It can always give me good ideas. Okay. I keep using ChatGPT for ideas. I don't know if it's good for that, but who knows. Give me ideas for Minecraft. Right click abilities that imply RPG mechanics. Right click with the shield to bash. Okay. Fireball. Supernova. Protection. Poison blade. Okay, some of this is alright. Interesting. Right click with the sword to dash forward, damaging enemies in a line. I think I should do that. Oh, but that's gonna be kind of hard, because I don't want to teleport the player inside a block. Maybe. Berserker Rage, right click. Okay, I kinda got something like that. Power Shot, Fireball Cast. You know what, let's do Fireball. Oh, yep. Okay, right click ability, we're doing a Fireball. Let's pull this up, and we are gonna edit the name. Actually, I'm gonna do fireball. Oh yeah. Summon fire. That what? Fireball. That damages mobs for 2 seconds. You know, I'm pretty happy about this. Think summon a fireball that damages mobs for 2 seconds. Mana cost. We're doing 8. And 4 seconds. This is gonna be like a small ability here. So we're going down. And this is going to be our ability 5. And 8. And ability 5. We're gonna copy this, rename this into fire ball. And we're gonna name it, give it cooldown 4. Perfect. No gravity equals true. I should probably do this for the other one too. Yeah, there we go. Sweet. Yeah. That should work. We just do the exact same for the multi-hit. Except we're doing fireball. There we go. Okay. I'm not gonna test this until we get this like exactly right. So multi-hit. And we're gonna name this fire ball. Execute as fireball. Sweet. Fireball. Sweet. We could probably just play sound instead of sweep, it's fire. Ambient? Yeah, that should be it. Fireball. Because we don't want to execute that nearest player, and we're going to do damage 2. Attack particles. Flame. And this is 0, and speed of 0.1. Count 6. Because it's going to be more isolated. And we're going to do 1 block above, I think. Yeah. I think that's it. Okay, let's see this. If we give ourselves right click C, yeah. Okay. Fireball. Nope. Shoot, what is going on? It could be right click. Yeah, it is. I need to do fireball. Shoot. At least we know that works. Slash reload. What the? Heh. What is going on? Summon armor stand. Okay. Okay, but if I give myself... Okay, let's just change the ability. Oh, save all. Slash reload. Right click C. F3B. Oh yeah, slash forward. Players set tries cooldown to 0. Okay, but why? Why does that do that? And then that doesn't work like that. How am I summoning this? Multi-hit. Multi-hit. Fireball. Mm-hmm. 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 Maybe it's just particles, but it shouldn't be. Okay, this is... Okay. And that works. But why does it work? How's it doing that? Fireball? That works. Shoot. Okay. Execute at nursing and TP. Face. Okay. Destination location. Facing. I want to see something. What if we do something where we summon it behind us by -0.1. Civil / reload. No, it doesn't work. Okay, let me see this. Okay. Oh yeah. You know, I'll comment this out. And then I'm gonna TP it. And spectator. Oh, I'm so stupid. Okay. Fireball multi-hit. Yeah, we don't. I was doing it for multi-hit only. Oh my god. Yeah. Okay. We're gonna refresh this unless... Nah. Oh. Yeah, let's change music. Okay. Fire Cereball / reload. There you go. And for Fireball, Oh yeah, distance of dot dot 2. I should have had a distance for this too, because I don't want to hit him all the way down there. Probably gonna be a bigger distance. 1.5. Slash reload. And then we're gonna execute if block -1 is, wait, we should do if air and then unless block -1 is air, run set block fire. Ho 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 ho. Oh, that's so evil. Oh my god. That's a little too overpowered. We're just gonna run an as, I don't know, 33 or greater? How does that sound? Slash reload. Oh shoot, I gotta clean up all this fire too. Okay, we're gonna play around in here. So we got fireball. Oh yeah. I gotta make sure people can't use item abilities kind of outside of the dungeon, because that might mess up the whole thing. But, you know, it's kind of cool. Okay, so let's say I was in adventure mode. I was BAM! And then boom. Oh shoot. Oh shoot, they're coming around. Oh. Okay. We can run down here. And let's go. We ignited something. Oh yeah, let's go. Oh shoot. Yeah, I forgot. Fire can damage the player too. So that's gonna be quite interesting. And it can glow through blocks. Okay, well, I got some more bug fixing, but that's good enough ability right now. I'm gonna send that over. And this is fireball. 5. Perfect. Ooh, we got a new liminal place. Wait, what is this one? Oh, I remember this one. Okay, sweet. No? We got this. We got right click to teleport a short distance and the direction they're facing. Maybe. I don't know if I should do this one. Just because I have like an open roof here. Okay, let's think about this. We could do a teleportation thing. The problem is though, you know, I might as well make like something like a speed thing, because that might be a little bit better. Okay. Shoot. I don't know how I feel about players teleporting. Well, okay. Let's just make like abilities. Like very, very player based abilities. Let's make it. Ooh, let's think about an idea. What if fireball. I don't know. You know, I'm gonna take a quick lap and I'm gonna think about it real quick. I'll let this music keep playing though. Be right back. Glow ink. Red. No. Yellow. Yellow dye. Yes. Glow and behold. Okay, I'll be right back. You guys keep an eye on the stream. sweet. Oh, shoot. Okay, what's going on here? What is this music? Oh. Okay, thanks for sticking by for a little bit. Okay, sweet, we got a new custom ability here. I'll need to fix that, how it can go through walls like that. It shouldn't, but it does. So I'm gonna fix that a little later on. What is this? Ooh, I like this song. Okay. So, I came up with an idea. It's called Heart Attack for a right click. So let's code it. We're gonna do right click. And we're doing Heart Attack. Gain strength 3, but random chance to just die. Oh yeah. And this is gonna cost, let's say, 13 mana and a cooldown of 6. And this is going to be ability 6, I think. Yes, I'm pretty sure. Yeah. Okay. 13. We don't need this right now. 13. We can actually borrow the rage real quick. Heart attack. .mc function. Slash scored player. No. Execute as current entity run, and then we're gonna run that command, but we're gonna store the result in score current entities RNG run random value between 0 and let's say 10. Effect. I keep doing that. Execute as current entity run this command, but it's going to be scores equals RNG1 equals 1 and 6 7 and 10. Kill current entity. String for, I'd say 20 seconds. And heart attack. What was this, 13 mana? Oh yeah. And what was the 6 seconds? Oh yeah. You know, I'm keeping that up because it's kind of interesting. Save all. Slash reload. Okay, I'm pretty sure this works first time. You just have to give yourself right click. Oh. Okay. Yep, that works. Oh, am I getting really unlucky? Oh, there it goes. Strength 3. That's strength 2. Amplifier 2. Because it starts from 0. We're boosting that up to like a 2 in 10 chance, I would say. Around there. Yeah. And if it does run, we're just using a Telrod generator. Or no, we're using Gamer Geeks for this stuff. Tel. Where it is at current entity. Nope. And then how do we? What the? Text ID, color style. Automatic? Okay, why is it doing that? Die of a heart attack. Okay, sweet. So we just run save all / reload. Okay, sweet. Okay, so we're playing with a little bit of, we're gambling. We're doing a little gambling. Okay, we got pretty lucky. Ooh, we're getting really lucky. I like this. Oh. Oh, okay. Wait. Okay, just making sure. That's a heart attack. Okay, sweet. And just to make sure, if I'm in adventure mode, yes, I do get teleported up there. That's something interesting. I just made the whole floor basic teleport. So if you do get outside the map and somehow try and explore this, if you fall anywhere below the map, you just get teleported back. What is this one? Oh yeah. We're bopping to this one. Ooh. I gotta find a better sound for casting a right click ability. I'm hoping to have a custom sound, but who knows. Heart attack. Oh yeah. Okay. You know, I like playing with luck. This is kind of fun. You know, you get strength for quite a bit. This is pretty nice. Yeah, I'm getting lucky with this. Probably not for long though. Oh. Oh. Because I spawned like right here, I just get teleported back. Oh. It happened again. It was all just a bad dream. Oh yeah. I should probably work on like out of dungeon stuff and in dungeon stuff too. Cause I know a player, when they use their ability, and don't get me wrong, this is kind of cool, like fireball. But if there's like fire on the ground, like that, you can't really get rid of that. Which, I mean, and it's annoying to get rid of it every single time. So I'm just thinking we just disable like all abilities outside the dungeon except for left click. No, never mind, not left click. Well, maybe except left click, yeah. That might be easy. Because if like a player has this tag in the dungeon, execute that function. Yeah, I might actually do that. Or we could work on custom block designs, because I need to get custom blocks in too. Oh wait, I forgot to push this to GitHub. That's what I always do. Right click abilities for what was it? We did 1, 2, 3, new right click abilities. Sync changes. Yeah, all this is public, so yeah, public source code. It's kind of nice. If you want to check it out anytime you want. I might be looking for beta testers soon. We'll see about that. Oh shoot. I just used it once. What is this luck? Oh jeez. Okay. Oh yeah. For custom level and man-made levels, like preset levels, we're gonna have like a level board here where you can select the levels. And maybe on the side here I have like a custom thing where you can select it with interaction entities. And then if you want to do custom levels, there's like a button here to start it, or like custom levels that gives you a tell raw thing, because I'm not gonna make a custom button for every single custom generated map or level or everything. That's just a little too hard at my current programming level. Shoot. You know, I might as well work on custom block designs, because I do need custom blocks, and it's kind of, and maybe custom item textures, because it is kind of boring looking at just pixels, like stuff like this. It's just purple and black. That's not very interesting. Oh. Oh. Oh shoot. Yeah. You know, heart attack is really good, except when it's really bad. Like, you could get like really good strength, but you could just have a random chance to die. And fireball. Oh boy. Yeah, this is interesting. Maybe I'll get like custom blocks for like the floors and stuff. Oh yeah. Like maybe deck this out. But that means, oh, I'm worried about lag. I know there's a mod out there that lessens the lag of custom blocks, which actually might be mandatory now that like, I'm gonna maybe just add a lot of custom blocks and see what happens. Who knows? I think it was item displays to make them render only if a player is looking at it. That type of mod. I'll see about that. I hate having to ask people to download extra mods for things, but it's just a mod for making the datapack run smoother. So I mean, if someone's got a really beefy computer, probably it could run just without mods, but who knows? Who knows? You know, I'm working on that tag thing. Dungeon, function, load. I'm gonna name this hashtag. This is for in dungeon tag and out of dungeon tag. Tag at all players, add out of dungeon. Wait, out dungeon. Yeah. And then tag adult players, remove in dungeon. Sweet. Okay. And this is going to be activated world tech entrance? No. No. What was... Maybe it was a tech function. Yeah, it was. This is for players who die or get out of map. Execute. I'm gonna simplify this a little bit more. So tag add all players and add current entity, add remove, and then we're gonna add once we do the joining dungeon thing. But yeah. I might need more item abilities. Tag. Let's see if it added it. Out dungeon. Sweet. Okay, now we're out of the dungeon. This is technically outside dungeon. And then, yeah. Once we join a dungeon, we'll be in dungeon instead of out of dungeon. And then we can execute. Oh, what the? Okay, we're changing this. Sweet! Oh, I love this. Ho 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 ho. I can't believe this playlist has this. Okay, sweet. My bad. A casual freak out. I don't know what to do. Should I do like an ability where you can only like have speed if there is like no mob around? Oh, maybe. Or let's think of something like for grass, because this is like the first level. Let's think here. We got farm. Maybe something to do with the farm? But it's nature. And we added fire to nature, which is kind of interesting. Oh, maybe. Okay, I want to see something. If I... Where is it? Summon a falling block with motion. Yeah, wait. Oh, wait, this gives me a great idea. Okay. We're gonna do pumpkin blast. Shoot a pumpkin dealing radial. I'll say 5 damage. In 6 blocks. Oh yeah. This? Pretty good. Shoot a pumpkin. And manage cost, we'll say 20. Time to regenerate. Let's do 8. Oh yeah. Now this is gonna be ability 7. Wait, do I have 7 abilities? Seriously? Rage, mana ward, gassy, multi-hit, fireball, heart attack. Holy cow. Okay. Ooh. 7. Fireball, we're gonna just rename this into pumpkin _ blast. Rename. Wait, we're doing right click. Pumpkin blast.mc function. Yes. And we're gonna do that a little later on. Right now, we're just gonna make sure we can summon. What was it? Block, not the block display. Falling block. Probably one above. Probably where we're looking at too. Hold up. Nope. 1 MBT. Block state. Name. Shoot. What should we do? What should we do for the block state? It was pumpkin. Yes. Motion. Oh boy. Okay, you know, I'm using MC Stacker for this. I'm not doing this. It's gonna great summon falling sand block. Summon falling block. Pumpkin. There you go. Motion. X. 0.2. Motion 0.2. Okay. Let's see about this. File. Save all. / reload. I know it's not technically finished. That's probably why. Pumpkin blast. I'm glad I didn't have a heart attack there. Okay. Sweet. / reload. Okay. Not bad. Time. Maybe it's 0.2. 0.0. Yeah, save all. / reload. No, it always does it. Shoot. Can I make the motion relative? Please say I can. No. Can I data merge entity and just give it motion here? What if I just do it up? Five. Save all. / reload. Make it interesting. Not fast enough. Oh, maybe a little too fast. 0.8. Oh, wrong thing. Shoot. That's actually perfect. Okay, sweet. We don't need this anymore. Pumpkin blast. We are gonna particle add current entity particle. Particle. That was dust. We are gonna search for a nice orange color. Yes. Let's get one. Count. We're gonna 3. Yes. And we are gonna tag this with tag. Tag. Shoot, I forgot how to. Let's look at fireball. Tags. Yeah, that was the wrong sign. Okay. Pumpkin. Let's go blast. Oh yeah. Okay, so pumpkin blast. We are gonna execute a pumpkin blast file. Save all. And instead of doing like the regular kills thing, we're gonna do execute at current entity if block -1 is air, no, unless block is air, run kill current entity. /reload. What? Wait, what? Oh shoot, it's gotta be pumpkin blast here. Now it's confusing. Okay. Now we gotta get a summon sound. Play sound. Squid. Slime squish. Actually, that's gonna be for the pumpkin blast. Killing sequence, I guess. Yeah. Add all players in a distance of 120. Not 30. Volume of 25. And it's pumpkin carve, I guess. Why not? We'll see what that sounds like. Match reload. Okay. We're gonna change the pitch on that. I like the carve sound. Slime squish is not doing it for me. Maybe if we do slime squish. What about pumpkin? Yes. /reload. Pitch 0. /reload. What about explosion? Oh. Wait, no. How about splash, maybe? What about an axolotl splash? We'll ignore that for now. We're still working on that. Nope. Explode. File, save all. /reload. Oh yeah. And run particle. I'm just doing this, except different. Instead of the delta, it's gonna be 2. 20. Hey. Okay, wait. And then we're gonna do that. Damage at all entities. Limit. One sort. Random. We're gonna damage it by 5. We're just gonna copy that and do that a bunch. Slash reload. Oh man, that wasn't a lot of particles. One 1.52. 1.5. Slash reload. Oh, okay. Oh, wait, that's kind of... 2. Control F, 2, and 2. And replace 1.5 with 2. Yes, start up here. And why not? File, save all. Slash reload. Sweet. Oh, sweet. Okay, I didn't know that. Why does it do that though? Wait. This is 0.5. Okay, we're gonna copy this. We're gonna Control F. Nope. Control F this and then just copy and replace. Because I feel like what's gonna happen is that it's just kind of running a little too fast here. Okay. And now it's damage at all entities. Slash reload. Whatever. That's intentional now. It's kind of annoying though. Oh wait, is it one? Oh, I'm dumb. Okay. 1.2. Yeah, because it's whenever we look at. Okay. Oh, shoot. Shoot. Okay. We're gonna play more music here. Oh, I remember this playlist. Okay. Sweet. Does it kill all the mobs down here? Ho 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 ho. Okay, we're gonna fix that distance though, because I feel like we're not getting the full distance. Oh yeah, it was 6, wasn't it? Save all. Slash reload. Oh, that's so cool. It's like boom. Okay, I'm gonna test that in this level. See how well that works. Because I know it might get stuck. Okay, but what does it do for grass? I'm gonna have to fix that now. Okay, well, at least we know some of the bugs. To a point. That's cool. I'm sending that over as Pumpkin Blast. And I think that's gonna be the rest of our video. We're gonna have that as a 7th ability. Just kind of warm things up. Have 7 different abilities here. Okay, sweet. And it can go as far as it wants, too. Except for that. What happened there? Oh, shoot. Well, if that happens, it can just reset. Which is weird, but we'll accept that. Maybe it's like when I'm like at an edge here. Oh, edge detection. Yeah, that's gonna be an issue. Okay, well, a few fixes I'll have to fix with that. Yeah. Oh well. Oh, maybe I can increase the size of this real quick too, just for visual. Size. NBT. Silent position on ground. I swear, in MC Stacker there's a size function to this, right? I'm not tripping out, am I? Maybe I am. Summon. Following. Lock. Huh. Okay, weird. Execute. At INDs. Limit equals 1. Stored equals nearest. Tag equals Pumpkin Blast. Yes, let's go. Run. Attribute. Current entity. Scale? Generic scale, yeah. Base set 1.2. Huh. Simple. So it's a little bit larger. And it doesn't work. Huh. Oh, wait, shoot. Scale. Yeah, it's not generic scale, it's just scale. So well. Uh-huh. 1.6. There we go. Slash reload. Okay, it's like almost. Uh-huh. As current entity at current entity file, and then instead of this, we just copy this at all entities. Well, save all. I think scaled work in that one. Did it? Maybe not. I'm enlarge. Oh my god. Wait. Scale slash attribute current entity scale base set 1. That's why I was looking weird. Okay. I'm sending that to 2. File, save one. I think it's a little bit larger. I don't know. I feel like it just is a little bit larger for a second and then just shrinks, which is weird. Who knows? Okay. Well, I'm gonna end it over here. Thanks for watching this little coding datapack thing. Lots of stuff, lots of bug fixes, lots of stuff I'll have to fix. But yeah, I'm hoping to make this really polished. We got an item generator working kind of right now too, thanks to a friend of mine. Yeah. If you want to check out the source code, I'll have it in the comments hopefully. I can paste it right now. Just to see what everything changed and all that stuff. Here, I'll post it right now. So once this is over, it'll be posted. But yeah, lots of big changes to this. Hoping to make it more update friendly than the last one. Actually, let's look at it real quick. Let's look at it. We're gonna look at it together. It's horrifying. Okay, this is my abilities folder. See how I use at current entity as current entity with that when I could have easily combined both of them and I didn't need position. I don't know why, but I didn't if items, which was kind of interesting. But then I used custom data tags, which is insane. Okay, we're gonna be gawking, I don't know, at this for a little bit because this is insane. This is version 2. I can do this because this is my code, and I can make fun of it, and you can too, because we're all gonna make fun of it together. Look at this, custom data sort. I don't use custom data anymore because Minecraft kept on changing it, which I'm kind of mad about. So we just got sword 1, and then we got players add cooldown. The adding cooldown part I really like a lot, but the rest is just unnecessary. Look, players remove mana. Okay, yeah, that makes sense. But like for each and every single custom ability, and not sharing abilities too, this I'm gonna improve. This I'm gonna improve hopefully. It's just a lot of stuff, and like all the tags aren't all like synchronized. It's weird. Items here. This is pretty bad. See, you got sword 3 or 4. You got add max health 2. I'm actually gonna show this off real quick. This is kind of interesting. Instead of having a bunch of commands, each item doing it, we do player stats and then max stats, and then we do a function add all the stats of all the items you're holding, and guess what that looks like? Boom! Really easy. And guess what it doesn't use? It doesn't use tags. It doesn't use any item tags at all. It just uses custom data, and I'm hoping Minecraft doesn't change it because it's perfect the way it is. And you got like wisdom add. So I could change this to like any number too, and it would work perfectly. That's the amazing part. Same with well, not same with this. Right click is a little bit different. Right click is a preset ability, and it just keeps going up in order. But yeah, let's look a little bit further into this here. So this got simplified down. This is now manageable. I don't even have to think about adding max health every time I do a custom item. Room, reload room. I don't know. Execute custom command. Okay, yeah, this exists. It's not labeled right. You got kill all this stuff, and some of this kills like stuff that kill was that text spawn, and then this is supposed to be text displays, and then look what I do right before text displays. Ooh, it's kind of useless. And then I place dungeon template main floor room. But yeah, I don't know why mobs this yeah, I'm fixing this up too. This is not good. Look at how big this is. This is a huge command for a mob. I think it's like, here, we're gonna scroll down. Look at that. Oh, that's just one mob. Oh, okay. Second tick. We got tick 1, second tick. This, I'm not proud of. This is horrible. I'm gonna fix this if I depend on, like, adding a new boss bar. But yeah. This is better. It still has problems, but this is better. And I'm hoping to add, like, more comments on everything. But I'm gonna do this. Pumpkin blast, and what was it? Ability. And then sync changes, and then, yeah. Oh, good. So I'm gonna work on this a little bit more tonight. Hopefully you like this little stream. I'm gonna hopefully work on a video for this once it gets released, but gonna add a lot more stuff. I'm also gonna add credits to this, and a lot more custom stuff, like custom blocks, like I was gonna say, and custom items, and different ways of giving players items. That's something I got in the works currently going on. But yeah, take care and have a great rest of your day. Bye bye.